is a real juggling act to fit the engine into the frame, particularly getting the long bolt that goes into the bottom of the engine and through the two bolt eyes in the frame. For the drain plug, I fitted a nitrile rubber O-ring which is oil resistant. I'm going to see how that does at sealing there. I could maybe have done with one slightly larger, slightly wider. I'm not very good at showing things as I go along because I just start work and forget about recording it. So I've fitted the chain and I've tightened or torqued down the nut that holds the sprocket on. I've also fitted the oil lines underneath. Now I found out that I have a union that requires O-rings, so there were 2 O-rings in the kit, so I'm hoping that will seal things a wee bit more. There is oil in the gearbox now and it's been there for a couple of hours and there is nothing dripping out, which I would have had in the past. I haven't connected the oil lines properly in case I forget to tighten that clip. I probably heated that piston a little bit too hot and it made it really hard to handle. I was also struggling to line up the gudgeon pin with the little end in the conrod. I'm using blue Hylomar on the base gasket here. I had applied it to the gasket in the bottom of the barrel and then pushed it on and taken it off, let it set for a wee while. I know it's not an approved technique, but I'm determined to try and stop as much oil getting out of this engine as possible. It's always a fiddle to feed the rings into the barrel.